Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing great and very innovative and creative thing in your life. And here I am your host, I am your anchor, I am your teacher, and I think I am the one of the content creator who are making this English speaking easy. Look guys, you can easily see that every day I am uploading a content. Every day I am making a content just because my audience get a fluent. Look guys, now it's time to wake up. It's a very alarming situation guys because now AI is entering. So if you can't able to speak English, if you won't able to speak English, you will fall in a big trouble. You really have no idea guys. So please, I am telling you, be prepare, be prepare of your subconscious mind, because it's really time to wake up, okay guys. And also guys, I'm telling you that if look, if you will not able to, if you won't speak the English, I think I know here are lots of people are think that we don't need to speak English, but I'll give you a big consequences. I will show you big consequences. What can happen to you? You can be replaced by job. No one will give. No one will watch you as a respect. I mean, everyone will think that we are a cowboy. Yes, it's a very harsh reality. So, and you always gonna be shame. Your confidence gonna be low. I mean, as much as you will grow, as much as you will be age, your confidence will be decrease. Okay, your confidence gonna be decrease. So it's a very big impactful. So you can speak English, and here you can see I am speaking very slowly, just because yes I can fluent as much as can. I mean, my fluency is very much better, okay. But here you can see I'm speaking very slowly. I'm speaking in a way that you can listen to my each and every word very carefully, okay. So yes, now we are making a sentence, okay. Now we are making a sentence, and here I will show you how gonna we make sentence. Here are some example and some meaning. If you have seen my dozen of videos, then you can easily see that I have taught you enough of this, okay. So now we just make a sentence. Get down to brass tacks. Get down to brass tacks. It's about get down to brass tacks. It's about you are talking to some a very important point, okay. You are talking a very important point. Get down to brass tacks. It's about you are discussing a very important topic. Look guys, look, there are thousands of topics, okay, which are very important. And you know very well that why I'm talking like this. But there are some most I mean you are living in India, so as a citizen of India, and of course we are nationalist, and everyone we are just loving to our country, and we really want to improve this country, and we really want to do a great thing for our country. But what you guys think that this is the most important topic? What you think that this topic is very important? I think first of all we really have to teach our student nationalism. What is the true nationalist and true nationalism, okay. Second one, in secularism. Yes, we really have to understand to this generation and to next generation secularism. What is the nationalism, secularism, capitalism, and yes, language barrier. Yes, yes, yes. You can easily see in a Maharashtra there be a law now recently. I mean, they are facing a big huge problem in a so much time, like language barrier problem. So I am suggesting you that you really should away from this kind of garbage. Look, it's not necessary to speak Marathi. I mean, who are someone who has someone authority to tell us that what we should speak or what we should speak not? Who are? So yes, I mean it's a disgusting thing. I mean, I'm saying that we have to leave this thing. We have to stop it that you have to speak this language, you have to speak Marathi, you have to speak Bengali, you have to speak Gujarati, you have to speak Marwadi, Kannada, Kerala, Tamilian, whatever. It's look in India and in the global language are English, okay? So if we know Hindi and English, I think we are a nationalist people. Yes, this is my opinion. This is what I'm thinking. If I can speak Hindi and I can speak English as much as you can see, then I am a true nationalist. And yes, I care about my country. And okay, we will discuss about more. Get into a scrap. It's about get into a scrap. Look. We all just want to do adventure. We all just want to do such a great thing in a life. We all want to do, but never fall yourself in a get into a scrape. I mean, why you have to create this kind of get into a scrape? Why you have to do this kind of creation? Okay, I really don't think so. I really don't think so. You should do it this kind of thing. Okay, so yes, just stay away from these habits. I mean, it's very sad. It's very sad. You shouldn't do it. Always do for makes you happy. Yes, this is the finest and simple formula I'm giving you. Always do things which makes you happy. Okay? Yes. Get the better of. It's about you are look guys, you won't believe what I had a bad habits. I had a lot of bad habits. But soon now you can easily see that I threw all the bad habits. You can easily see that now I'm get rid of everything. Now I just really had the get the better of. Get the better of. So you have to control your body, mind, soul. Look guys, life is too short and I really want that you just become a hero. I really want that my each and every students make a hero. I really want that everyone you should make a hero, because guys, if you really want to live a life, be a hero. Be a hero. I know you're gonna face a lots of problem, lot of criticism, but if you really want to live life, be a hero. Get wind off. Get wind off. Now you know the truth. Now you know the mysterious thing. Now you know the such a mysterious thing. I mean, now you really should do it. Okay, because you really know get wind off. You really know get wind off. Grid up the loin. Grid up the loin. It's about you are facing. Now you are facing problem. Now you can face every problem. Now you can face every situation you can overcome with this. So yes, today I taught you enough of thing, and please do me a favor. Just take your opinion. If you really want to abuse me, abuse. Okay, but just write in a comment section. It's your opinion. Okay, so I can improve myself also too. Okay, so yes, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.